What's up, guys? It's Dusky. Are you looking for a way to connect your phone to your PC so that you can stream and have a better looking overlay or just a better looking stream overall? There's a couple of different ways that you can do this for each type of phone. I'm going to go over the more popular ones. For iPhone, you have 5K player, which is completely free. There is a little bit of lag in there, so you're going to see a little bit of drop frames, a little bit of skipping there. And then there's the capture card, which is a little bit more expensive of an option. You're going to get it for about 150 bucks. And you're also going to need an attachment called a Lightning Digital AV adapter. It's about $50, so it's a little bit more expensive of an option there. For Android, there's a bunch of different apps that you can use. There's Connect app, Let's View, a Power Mirror, and AirDroid that you can actually mirror your phone onto the computer. It's completely free as well. I assume that there is a little bit of latency with this, just like there was with the 5K player for the iPhone. And just like the iPhone, you do have the capture card option as well. It is a little bit more expensive, like I said, around $150. And you'll need a specific adapter that's called a micro USB to an HDMI adapter. It's a little bit less expensive than the iPhone option. I think it's like about $15 to $20. So those are going to be your main options whenever you're connecting a phone to a PC for a better stream. Appreciate you guys watching. Be sure to hit that subscribe button and have a wonderful day.